Welcome back to Rebound Racing. A quick reminder of the rules. This is a team game. Two teams go head to head, and one at a time a team member will launch round the loop and they'll try to land in one of the holes. Once all of the holes have been capped, whoever lands in the end zone first wins. Previously we saw the black team beat the white team. The red team beat the blue team. The purple team beat the green team. And the silver team beat the yellow team. So these are our final 4 teams. Who will make it to the final? Let's find out as we continue the competition.
It's Team Black versus Team Red. Maleficent to go first. Oh no, she made it round the loop, but she flipped. Iron Man for the Reds. Nicely done. Batman. Oh, he didn't make it. The Flash now to really give the Reds an advantage. Yep, he's done it. Thanos. First hole cap for the black team. McQueen now. And that's the last hole cap for the Reds. The black team really need to catch up with Maleficent. Oh, you can't catch up if you're not on the track. Iron Man can win it for the Reds now. Yes, that's it. So the Reds win this one. Sorry black team, you're out. Purple versus silver now. Hulk to start things off. Yep, that counts. Thor for the silvers. Nicely done. Holly now. Yep, she capped the next hole. Ultron. Yes, he's done it too. Zurg now. And he's capped the last hole for the purples. Can Ant-Man do the same for the silver team? No, he's gone straight for the end zone, but he hasn't capped the last hole, so it doesn't count. So Hulk can send the purple team into the final if he makes this. Yes, he made it! Well done, purple team. Sorry, silvers, you're out.
So this is it, the final, between Team Red, Iron Man, McQueen and the Flash, and Team Purple, Hulk, Zurg and Holly. Whoever reaches the end zone first wins!
The Flash is up first for Team Red. Good start. Here's Holly. She's done it too. McQueen now. Yes! Hulk for the purples. Oh, both teams have done it perfectly so far. Iron Man. Ooh, just about. And Zurg. He capped the last hole too. So whoever reaches the end zone first wins.
But to make it fair, both races will have to go at the same time. Whoever lands in the end zone first wins the whole competition.
The Flash is up for Team Red and Holly is going for Team Purple.
Ready? Go!
And it's Holly in the end zone.
So that means Team Purple are the winners. Well done, Team Purple.
Looks like I picked the right team today.
Yeah, you sure did, Hulk.